very crunchy. Can you hear it? Very crispy and crunchy.
Hello wonderful people, welcome to Chef Gami GA channel. Today we are going to learn how to make crispy potato chips, and I will take you through all the secrets and techniques in making potato chips very crunchy and crispy. Come, let's do it together. Yalla! Let's get started, friends. I will trim the potatoes for it to be more stable on the chopping board, and also make it easier to get equal sizes of French fries. After trimming, I will cut it into slabs of 1/4 of an inch and further slices 1/4 of an inch size of French fries. After, I will put it in an ice cold water, and the length of a French fry should be around 3 inches. The first technique of making French fries very crispy and crunchy is to put the slices of French fries or the potatoes into an ice cold water. This will make the potatoes very cold when we are first branching it, because it will go through 2 cooking processes. So when it's very cold, when you put in the oil, it will not get brown early. It will slow down the cooking process so that the outside and the inside will be cooking without the outside getting brown. But without ice, the moment you put in the oil, it will be browning just after 2-3 minutes, and you will think your potato will be ready, but it will be soft and soggy. So this is the reason why we are putting it in an ice cold water. Dear friend, now I have cut all the potatoes into the ice cold water. I'll put half lemon juice. The reason is that we all know if you leave peeled potato outside, it will get brown. This is because of the oxygen in the air, and we know water also contains oxygen. So if you don't put in the lemon or vinegar to protect the potato from the oxygen in the water, the color of the potato will also change. So this lemon juice will help our potato to maintain its color, or it will be white without getting discoloring by the oxygen in the water. Friends, now the potato has been here for about 30 minutes. I will pat it dry on a clean kitchen towel. This is to remove the excess water and moisture, because we know the water contains the moisture, because it's the water that makes the potato very soft. So we try our best to remove any water we can remove possible. I will just dry it with another clean towel. Potato is parted dry now. First, I'm going to branch it, and when branching, you don't need a very hot oil like 170 or 180 degrees Celsius. You need only around 120 degrees Celsius. You branch it about 2-3 minutes, you take it off, then we continue. So you can see not too much hot. So I think at this temperature, I will branch it for only 2 minutes. And don't overload the oil. When you overload it, it will be steaming instead of frying. So just a little bit so that it can have even distribution of heat. Okay friends, about 2 minutes now. I will take out. The reason is that the cooking process will still continue. So when we start the second part, so with a very hot oil, the outside will just be crunchy, and we will not have to worry about the inside, because the inside is already cooked in the first process. I'll put it on the paper towel just to get rid of the excess oil and any water present at the moment. I'll add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You can use potato flour if you have it in where you are. Mix it very gently
because now the potato is very fragile. If you don't take care, you break them apart. The cornstarch will absorb the water and make the potato very crispy and crunchy. So from here you can even see it's becoming stronger than before because it is absorbing all the water and making the potato very strong.
At this stage, I'll transfer the potato into a bowl, keep it in the freezer for minimum of 2 hours before I fry it. But you can keep it up to 90 days. Just take some anytime you want potato chips. And the reason is like the first cooking process we went through, to delay the cooking process, especially the browning of the potato, so that before our potatoes will be brown, it will be crispy inside out. This is the main reason why we want our potato to be frozen before we fry it. Dear friends, the 2 hours is up now. Let's see the outcome. I hope you can hear the sound of the frozen French fries. And the oil is hot now, but because the French fries is frozen, it will bring the temperature down. So by 2-3 minutes, it will be hot again. This time also, as we did in the branching time, we will not put too much to get the crispness we want. Dear friend, it's about 2 minutes now, and you can see how our potato is browning beautifully. Man, I can't wait to enjoy it. This is good food. Dear friends and family, the French fries is golden brown and ready. I hope you can hear the sound. Very crunchy. I like it. Can you hear it? Very crispy and crunchy. So I will transfer it on the paper towel to get rid of the excess oil. Beautiful. This looks real restaurant crispy French fries. I like it. Let me just take one and see how it is. Wow. Very crunchy. Burn in my mouth. Dear friends, the crispy French fries is ready. Let me just sprinkle a little salt on it and then have a taste of it. I believe you heard the crunchy sound of the French fries. The process seems a little bit cumbersome, but it's very easy. You can make about 5 kg. Anytime you want, you just take and fry it. I hope you like this video. Kindly share, comment or like. Thank you for watching. God bless you and God bless us all. Adieu.